In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play iRacing with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up a session so you and your friends can play together. So to play iRacing with your friends, I recommend using the hosted session feature. This is going to be a guaranteed way to play together. You have some other options like joining official races together, but this is going to be chance-based because if you and your friends have similar I ratings, you might be placed in the same race split when registering for the same official series and race session. But like I said, this isn't going to be guaranteed, especially in very popular series. So by doing a hosted session, you can guarantee that all of you will be able to play together. So in the iRacing interface, go over to the hosted option from the main menu. So choose hosted as you can see here. When you go to hosted, at the top right corner of the screen, you will find create a race. You will see all of the other ones being hosted down here, but all that you have to select if you want to make your own is to choose this option at the top. Now you can configure a lot of settings. Sadly, for a video of this nature, I cannot go over everything because there is a lot to do, but this will give you full control over the race. They will make it so it is easy to navigate, so after you are done with one step, you will go down to the other until you have selected all of the necessary parameters and options for this race. The main thing is that you will be able to set up a session name and an optional password. If you want to play only between you and your friends and you don't want anyone else to join this hosted session, this is going to be especially important. You will also have to purchase the server from them, so usually it is going to be around $1 or 50 cents. So after you set everything up, purchase the server, and you or your friends are going to be able to join the same session by selecting them from here and inputting any sort of necessary password. I hope I was able to help you on how to play iRacing with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.